Welcome to LearnWire. In this video, we'll be doing a Hippo video review. So this software only has 9 days left on the platform. It starts at $59 and it's averaging 5 tacos, 134 reviews. So this has been a hot product. I figured I should take a look at it before it leaves and do a full transparent review for you guys. Now you can reach your marketing and sales goals with a robust video personalization and distribution platform. So this is something that I'm considering adding to my business, not really in particular for this channel, but for another channel that I run. It's called Teach Me Money Methods. And I would like to get more personal with my prospects when people sign up to learn more about making money online. What this platform will allow me to do is quickly create personalized videos where I can actually add their name and things like that, and very quickly send marketing emails. So there's a personal connection, and it's said to have like a 300% increase in engagement. Obviously that will lead to more sales if you take the time to do this. So pretty cool stuff, Hippo Video. So let's see right here, alternative to Vidyard and BombBomb. And automate video sequences, humanize your communication, and track videos in real-time analytics. We're going to go in there and you're going to be able to see that this is just super, super cool. There's a lot of things that you can do in here. There's some really, really good reviews as well. Use videos across your sales funnel from prospecting to contract walkthroughs right from your video sales tools. Best for sales teams, marketers, and support teams looking to improve relationships and prospecting and customers through video. Obviously, you can watch the video there. I watched it as well. Hippo Video lets you humanize prospect engagement with personalized videos right from your favorite sales tools. So we can just scroll through here and look at some of the cool things you get in this deal. You get unlimited full HD recordings, mobile app. So apparently there's a mobile app. That's really cool. GIF thumbnail. This is super, super cool. It'll automatically create a GIF thumbnail based on the video that you have recorded with their software. It also has a screen recorder. It has a teleprompter built in. I mean, this is, there's a lot you can do. Super, super cool stuff. Notifications, reports, default sales pages, so that you can actually embed the video that you created into a sales page, customize the sales page, and then you would have a sales page hosted on Hippo Video that you can send to your prospects via email or any other method, social media, things like that. Pro edit and green call to actions and meeting link, branding customizations, teleprompter, add text into video, file upload, subtitles. You can upload your own videos in here and still use the software, which is cool. There's Google Analytics tracking, Facebook pixels, and so forth. I guess you can do in video custom poll, and you can hook CRMs to this, and where it'll automatically add context from your CRM into Hippo, and then you can actually use Hippo to send out emails. It's really, really cool. All right, so license tier 1, $59. You're going to get 200 gigabytes of bandwidth per month. 25 gigabytes of storage. So not really sure what the difference is. I mean, obviously storage would be maybe the videos that you create, 25 gigabytes of storage. As far as the bandwidth would be basically how many people are actually watching your videos. So if you're just sending these one-on-one emails and you're not getting, let's say you're getting 10 prospects per day and you create 10 videos, you'll probably be okay, but there'll be a mark where 30, 50 a day or something like that, it's going to get over the 200 gigabytes of bandwidth. So it seems like it's a pretty generous license tier 1 if you want to try the software out. Obviously, if you don't want to worry about rent storage or bandwidth, getting the license tier 2 or higher is probably the way to go. And then they really are pushing video. License tier 3, because you're going to get user roles, team reports, advanced video reports, marketing dashboards, video channel templates, help desk integrations with Zendesk, Fresh, and so forth, replace videos, and so forth. This would be if you're going to use this for your training platform or you're a big agency, then you probably want to go with that one. Doesn't look like you can stack codes. Not really sure if you can. Do they mention it? But there's an additional add-on. Bandwidth is $20 per 100 gigabytes per month. So if you go over and you need to buy a $20 boost, then you can do that. And then there's additional users as well. Previous AppSumo customers who purchase Hippo Video can upgrade their license to increase their feature limits. Okay, so let's go check out. And right away, I'll just come in here and show you that they have a robust playlist of all the different trainings right here. You can learn everything you need to know about the software. They have a playlist of training videos, which is super cool. So we're going to come through here and we'll just go right up to, let's say, the dashboard. And the dashboard will look like this. Looks like I've done some work in here already, so it'll be nice that I can actually show you just show you kind of like what it looks like, right? So I kind of fooled around with the sales page created. And then I also created a video in here, and it's going to give you all these videos created. And that's actually interesting because I think that's really, because I haven't created 9 videos, so I'm not really sure why it says 9 there. I have created 2 videos. But here's the unique viewers and so forth. Breaks it down by Gmail, share link, and so forth. And you can come up here 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, or custom. That's going to be your dashboard, okay? Now, there's a lot of things that you can do in here. At any point, you can always go up here to create and push the create button. And this is what I really like. When you come in here, you can go with camera only, where you have your webcam connected, and it's just going to record, like your face, right? A talking head video. But then they have this screen and camera. I really, really like that. Screen only right here. If you only want to record the screen and not be on video, that's cool too. So they have all those options, all the options that you would expect from a video creation tool. But it's just cool because the main thing, let me just kind of summarize probably the biggest heavy hitter thing that Hippo Video does for you is that you're able to embed these videos very easily into your emails. So you can have video inside of your emails, and you can even have a really fancy GIF. And I've seen these before a lot, and I've always wondered, how are they doing that? Because not very many people are doing it, and it really stands out when people do it, because you have to have a service to be able to do it. You can't just paste a video in. It just doesn't work like that. There's a certain way to host your video inside of email. So you can import your video if you already created it. You can create video from images, sales assets. So you can create a sales page, import document, image, create teleprompter asset, create custom templates, send a thank you video, perfect your video pitch, and create video sandwich. I don't know what that means, but like right here, just to show you, you can go screen and camera right here. It's going to ask you for your microphone and your settings. You're going to say start recording. And you guys are going to see me, maybe. It's going to go ahead and ask you what screen you want to record right here. And then you can just say share, and then it's going to go get ready, and it's going to start counting down in a minute. You'll see me down here on the left-hand side. It's dark in my room right now, but actually you can actually see it light pretty well. Right here you can record. We're recording right now, and just to get a good sample, if I left click anywhere, you get this nice little graphic that just to show people where you're at on the screen. That's really cool. You can also draw on the screen if you wanted to, and you can change colors right here. Boom, 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 boom. And then you can go and clear that from the screen as well. Just kind of nice to have some of those little features on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording, stop sharing. And then it's going to take you to a video. We're inside of a video right now. There's a lot of things you can do. You can add a call to actions in here, and then we can go in here. You can actually copy the link to the video and share it with someone. You can send an email, and this is what's really, really cool. So you can send the email like this, and you can add contacts or import contacts, right? So right inside of here, I've already connected my email, my Gmail account to Hippo. And so you can actually just come in here and say add contacts. And let's just say we have all kinds of different people. We can go to people, and I'm going to just add myself, but you can add a bunch of different people, import contact, and then we're going to send that. Right, and then here's where you change your title. Right here, it just has a default, hi, I have a personalized video just for you. And then you can come over here, and if you have templates in here, you can grab that. You can look at a preview, and here is where you would add text to the email. If you had a template, you would also just click on it, and look, there's a nice template in here as well. And there's the video right there, okay? You can schedule the email by clicking over here, or you can just send it right away. You can also push the preview button, and this is what the page is going to look like when they go and click on this in the email, and I'll show you exactly what it looks like inside of Gmail. This is the page it's going to look like, right? So, and then it's going to be right here pretty well. So right here, you can record, and you can go full screen sample. If I left click anywhere, just right there, okay? And then you can have these call to action buttons down here. they can actually push reply with video. If they wanted to send you a video back, then they can actually push that button and it walks them through the steps. Okay. And then another thing you can do inside of here, I'm going to just cancel on this right here, is that you can also embed this if you want to manually. You just come up here, go to embed, and then copy the code. And you would just go into Gmail and paste that code in. So if I go into Gmail, this is what it looks like right here when it's embedded. Look, in a GIF right here, you can choose a GIF, and this is what it looks like. Super cool. Or we can come in here, start a new one right here. So you would select email embed, I believe, copy over here. And I'm going to run a test on this because I'm not sure. It may not show up until I'm going to push send right here. It may not show up until we actually send the email. So we're going to look at that real quick. And no, see, so that's why I'd have to figure out how that actually works. But that's why when you install, they actually have a right over here, Hippo video and screen recorder. You just add this to Chrome, right? Over 100,000 users. This is a very popular tool, 1,600 reviews, averaging 4 stars, and over 100,000 people are using this. So you add that right to Chrome, and then when you go to compose over here, you have these different options: send video campaign or send one-on-one video. That video that we just created, watch, we can record right from in here. You can see me on the screen right here. We can push the record button and record and edit right here. So this is going to increase productivity. If you're working within teams, if you want to use this in business, would work really, really well. You can actually, if there's something you definitely want to make sure that you talk about, you can enable the teleprompter and you can go and find a script, or you can create a new script. And when you push record, you'll actually have so like right here, my scripts, add new script. I thought I already had one in here. I put one in here because I made a video earlier. Yep, it's right here. Oh, okay. So it's not under all, it's just under all. And then if I clicked that, then you're going to have the text up here, right? See? Hello, it's David here from Teach Me Money Methods. I just wanted to say thanks for signing up to the free 30-minute workday escape plan. So you can see how that works really well. You can actually make the text bigger, smaller. You can change the speed and so forth. Okay. Disable teleprompter right there. And then also you can come in here, that video we created earlier. We can just say choose from library. It's going to pop up. And we have that one that we just created a second ago. Where is it? Maybe because we have not saved it yet. Let me look real quick. Oh, okay, so it's one of these right here. Let's go back over to the screen real quick, and I'm just going to put a title right here, new demo. Okay, so it is the 39 second. Okay, so it is the new demo one, and I wanted to show you a little bit more that we can do over here, but let's go back over. And so it would be this 39 second one. We would push continue. And then check it out. Then you can add a sales page to where you can choose what sales page you want them to see. So they're going to look and see that it's this one right here, but you can change that if you want to look differently. You can edit and personalize right here. You can do a quick edit from inside of here. You can trim the video. If you didn't get started right away, you can trim it. You can add text right here. So hello, John. So you could add that text and change the font, and you can add it, make it bigger. Like that, and that would personalize it. So if you had a template that doesn't really say their name in the video, but then you add hello John right there, just take that extra 15 seconds to do that. It still personalizes the video, and they have different things you can add on here if you wanted to. You can add call outs, you can blur stuff if you wanted to, and then right here you can actually resize. So you can resize this right here if I wanted to make this bigger or smaller. Really cool, right? So you can go like that, make it a little bit bigger, and you just push apply. So now you have this new video right here. So there you go. I really like that. And then you can just push continue or insert video. So I'm going to say continue for now. And then right here, you can write what you want inside of here. You can, because they have templates, right? And let's just go with a thank you for now. If it's just really quick template right here. And then insert video, and then check out what happens. It's going to, and then you're going to put their email in. I'm just going to put in, I'm just going to put that in right there, insert video for now. So then look, we're inside of Chrome, and there's our video embedded. We have our full email ready to go, and you just push send. So this is how you personalize emails. And if you're in the sales market, if you're in prospecting in any way, this is going to increase. If you take the time, you get 10 new leads a day, and you actually take an hour out of your day to go and make a little video that takes 3 minutes to create, you'll get real fast at it. And you go and do this, you're going to increase your sales potential. Absolutely. Okay, so we're going to come back in here. So this is what the rest of this page looks like. Like I said, you can edit this. You can do the quick edit, and then let's go and check out what the Pro Edit features look like. So I click on Pro Edit. It's going to open up an editor. So they have a full-blown video editor inside of here as well. And it's processing the media. It's compressing it down so we can actually edit it. So it's doing some things, really cool stuff. So then they say how to edit with Hippo Video Pro Editor. I'm going to exit out of that. I'm not going to watch that. I just wanted to show you guys. You can add text. You can move this around. Here's the webcam right here. It's processing that right now. But you can do cuts right here. So if you want to clip something, come in here and push clip. And it's going to clip those into, see, it added the right here. And then you have all the other essentials, and then select a video image clip to add effects. So let's just say we're going to select this one right here. We're going to add chroma key or blur, add an image. We can open up an image right here. We can record audio from inside of here. We can record another video and add it. We can do text to speech. They have some text to speech here. It's actually not bad.
Hello, this is a sample text to speech.
It's actually not the worst text-to-speech editor. I was expecting it to be just the regular ones that we get all the time. It's just a little bit better than your typical robotic ones, right? It's just a little bit more human sounding, which is really, really good. That's cool if you needed to use that. So there's just a little bit more things that you can do in here. Not a ton. It's not a full-blown video editor, but it's still pretty good. They also have the tutorial up here, right? And you can go and watch it. And they compressed it down like tremendously, so it's not bogging down the system. That's super smart on their end. You can import in here, and you can do all the basic editing that you need to do in here, which is super, super cool. And then you can go up here and click on HD Preview if you want to. You can save, and you can go cancel. Okay, what else can I show you real fast before I can close up this review? It's going to show total plays, unique viewers, average watch time, really, really cool stuff, even the region that you're in. Obviously, we watched that one. Okay, so I want to show people and prospecting emails real quick. So under people, this is where you can actually import from a CSV or sync it with your CRM, Zapier, or add from Google Contacts, right? And we have all these different people right here that we can manage inside of here. You can actually manage people, and then we can go to prospecting emails to send them. And if you've sent something, it's going to tell you video played, email opened right here. So, and then Peter sample, and then right here. So it's going to show you what's going on with any prospects that you have sent anything to. It's going to give you some stats right here, right? Total prospects 4, videos sent 3, videos watched 1 down here. Try our Gmail integration right here. Okay. You can add prospects by just clicking this and manually add them, or you can, like I said, go and import them in bulk if you want as well. You can go in and create a campaign over here. And right here, I created a campaign. I sent it to 7 people. So far, 7 people, 0 opened. I'm going to come back and check on that later on in the day. But I did make a video for 7 real contacts and sent that out today. So that's super, super cool. It'll show you that campaign, how well it performed. Okay, and then we can come through here. What is testimonial? Add a testimonial. Interesting. They have a testimonial section. I'm not gonna spend too much time on this, but we can go and actually watch a video on what that part is for. There's user management and there are settings. So that is the basics of, I guess, the teleprompter. Let's go look at these real quick. So you have sales pages. I want to just show you this last few features over here that I kind of mentioned a little bit. What is a sales page? And you have different templates. So we can create a sales page and look at all these sales pages templates that they actually have in here. They're really, really nice. I do like this first one. That's probably why they have it, the big one, or as the main one. We can come through here and we can say preview. So you can actually create your video, and when you send people to the page, we had one over here that looks like this. I don't have anything at the bottom, but you can actually add more videos or more information on that page. You can also have your information right here. So everything is branded to you and increasing your chances of getting phone calls, emails back, and so forth. Super cool. We can go look at one more. Everything is action driven, a call to action driven, right? So really cool. You can actually create these sales pages in here. We can come back up here to a teleprompter scripts. And this is where you could create a script by just coming in here. I created one earlier and I used it and I recorded my video and it was nice. I created one right there. So if we just go to create script and we would just say new script, you can put a better title. And then right here, you're going to write your new script here, and then you're just going to push save. It's going to end up as a new script right here. And then when you'll have the ability to record a new video and then add that as your new script. I'll show you that in just 1 second. And then let's go back in here, template builder. So you can build fast templates like right over here, perfect for your video pitch. You can create a new template, one that you're going to send out a lot, is a little bit more. You can personalize it, like I said, like maybe it's a thank you video that you want to send to a new prospect. Thank you for signing up to my 7-day free course, just letting them know thank you and welcoming them. But then you can actually go in and just change the text with their first name on it or something like that, right? So that way you're not recording 20 new videos a day, but you still have a way to make it personal, okay? So that's how you would do your script and your templates. And like I said, if you came up through here and you push create, create a video, let's just go screen only for now, but you wanted to start recording. Oh no, wait, that's not what I wanted to do. I think maybe it's right here, a teleprompter asset. Okay, so when you go into the camera, then this is where you're going to have your teleprompter come on. And you're going to add your script right up here, and then you can actually read this as well. Okay, so that is actually pretty cool because there's another software that I want to review as well, which is that Big View software, and it does similar things to this. But I think that this right here, you can't go wrong. Hippo Video, they've almost thought of it all. When they're hosting all these videos on the platform, they're actually hosting them on their platform with professional video hosting. Everything's fast. So this is a pretty cool software. If you guys want to go check it out, there'll be a link below. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Hit that like button and make sure to subscribe to LearnWire, and I will see you in the next video.